Hello, my friend. Alicia Lynn Diaz here, transformational healer and creator of the Enlightened Body System, where our students learn how to break free from the information overload and finally embody the health, vitality, and energy that they desire. So, did you realize that your digestion goes through cycles throughout the year? Throughout seasons, every season, spring, summer, fall, winter, each season has a distinct energy that changes your digestive fire, your digestive system. And so I'd love to hear in the comments below, just how's your digestion feeling right now? Maybe you put a thumbs up or a thumbs down. It's feeling great or it's feeling a little off. So how is your digestion feeling right now? Whatever season you are in right now. Is it feeling good, thumbs up, or is it feeling not so good? Just go ahead and share with me in the comments below. Also, if you have any questions on your digestion, I'd be more than happy to answer those in the stream. So anyhow, your digestion goes through cycles with each and every season. So in the winter, I want to give you some tips for winter today. In the winter season, the cold outside actually increases the potential for really great digestion on the inside. And because we look at the digestion through the lens of the digestive fire. So your fire inside your body in the summer, that fire gets a little bit dissipated out to the surface of your skin because you sweat and it's hot outside. So the temperature kind of equalizes almost between the two. So your digestive fire is actually a little bit depleted in the summertime. In the contrast of that, in the wintertime, the cold on the outside increases the heat on the inside. So there's some ways that you can harness the cold of the season. And the first way, I'm going to give you I have six ways for you to increase your digestive fire in the winter. And so the first one is actually just exposing yourself to the cold. Now you can do this any time of year by doing cold plunges and things like that. And that actually helps boost your internal fire. It can also deplete you depending on your body type and what you currently have going on in your health and in your nervous system. But generally speaking, for healthy individuals, it's a really great way. But simply going outside, getting fresh air, breathing the fresh air, feeling a little bit cold actually helps boost your digestive fire. So that's number one. Number two is moving your body. So maybe getting outside and going for a walk or a hike, or what I did this morning was cross-country ski out in the snow because we have like 3 feet of snow outside. So I was just playing in the snow and romping around and taking my cross-country skis. And I just noticed how much that increases my metabolism when I do that and gets me breathing deep. And it's good for so many other reasons, obviously. But getting your body moving a little bit in the cold helps stoke your internal fire. You could also do this through yoga and other forms of exercise that light you up. But just keep in mind, moving your body, even just for 12 minutes a day with some more intense intervals to get your heart pumping, but not so you're out of breath and depleted, really helps stoke that internal fire. So that's number two. Number three is sip hot water throughout the day. Drinking warm water helps dilate the tissues. It helps you stay hydrated. It helps hydrate the whole GI tract so that you can absorb your nutrients better and a host of other things. It just makes you feel warm. So sipping hot water throughout the day, sipping hot tea. And then my next one for you is enjoying spices. Warming spices also help really support your digestion in the winter. So chai spice kind of teas, warm teas, warming spices like ginger and turmeric in your foods. Cumin is a warming spice. Cinnamon is a warming spice. So enjoying some warming spices that help increase circulation, and they all also help boost your winter digestive fire. Okay, what else do I have for you today? Two more things that's really good to support your digestion in the winter. One is and this goes across all seasons, is making sure that you are eating enough produce and vegetables. Like half of your meal at least should be lots of greens, and the more green the better, because most people don't get a lot of chlorophyll in the winter because the greens are a little bit cold and they're a little bit cooling, and we have a little bit of an aversion sometimes to salads in the winter. But those greens are really important because they keep your immune system good, they give you good energy and gives you a lot of chlorophyll, and it's actually eating sunshine. So the green from leaves, like plants, like you see the plants behind me, I actually have sprouts and pea shoots and things growing on my windowsill in the winter because those plants take in the sun, the energy from the sun, and they turn it into, they produce chlorophyll. So you eating those greens is like you getting more of a dose of sunshine, which actually helps you get through the winter and supports your digestion, not only your digestion, but your immune system and all those things. So getting lots of veggies, super important. Eating the sunshine, even when you can't see it, it's still coming through and those plants will absorb it. And then you can eat those greens and feel even more alive and energized. And then the last thing I have for you today is using a lot of healthy oils. So oils are warming. And in the winter, we tend to get really dried out, so they're lubricating and they're also warming. So if you're going to have like a salad or something, or to make those greens a little bit more digestible and not so cool, you can actually drizzle flaxseed oil, olive oil, Udo's oil is a nice blend. And lots of different types of oils, healthy oils, coconut oil even, are warming and supportive for your digestion in the winter. So enjoy these tips. Let me know how you do, and post any questions that you have in the comments here, and I'll either answer them by typing or I'll shoot another video to answer your questions around health and wellness and all of that. If you want to dive deeper into any of these teachings, also feel free to visit my website, alicialyndiaz.com. There's lots of free downloadable resources and videos on there that you can watch. There's a gut reset video that you can watch, a training that you can go through to learn all about digestion and how to optimize it so that you have even more health, vitality, and aliveness. So I'll see you on the next video, and thanks for being here today. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.